Specifications Writing Training by Tonex. Who should attend? Anyone involved in planning, writing, managing or contributing to the preparation of specifications. Specifications Writing Training Course Description. Specifications Writing Training is a down-to-earth hands-on 2-day intelligent program including rules, guides, illustrations, works out, contextual investigations, gather undertakings and dialogues. Tonex Specifications Writing Training has been created to exchange the aptitudes and ability to those associated with delivering and writing specialized specifications. Building up a System Requirements Specification incorporates distinguishing proof, association, introduction, and adjustment of the prerequisites. Additionally tended to in the course are the conditions for consolidating operational ideas, outline imperatives, and plan design prerequisites into the determination. What to specify? Specifications are utilized as composed prerequisites for a framework, material, item, or administration for a proposed venture. Prerequisites for manufacture, erection, application, establishment, completing, vital illustrations, codes and guidelines relevant to the undertaking are generally incorporated into the specifications. Key course objectives. Comprehend what specifications are. Key standards and common sense techniques for writing specifications. What to write in the specifications. Substance of the specifications. Specifications writing methods. What writing styles to utilize. The most effective method to apply syntax, straightforward sentence structure, and right accentuation. Training method and course materials. Comprehensive specifications writing guidelines and notes. A workbook with workshop exercises. Checklists, forms and charts. A USB drive with extensive documents and resources. Post access to the trainer via WebEx, phone, and emails for up to 6 months after the completion of the course. Objectives. Subsequent to finishing this course, the understudy will have the capacity to depict the part and reason for specifications. Distinguish a system for sorting out and creating specifications. Depict enter steps engaged with making viable specifications. Clarify techniques utilized as a part of characterizing prerequisites. Run down devices and systems for checking and organizing specifications. Distinguish techniques to compose and alter specifications. Depict the techniques to utilize frameworks necessities to get ready framework specifications, illustrations and all-inclusive strategies. Distinguish contrasts amongst useful and planned specifications. Course outline. Module 1, Introduction to Specification Writing. Module 2, Organization of Specifications. Module 3, Requirements Specification Writing. Module 4, Management of the Requirements. Module 5, Specifications Writing Process. Module 6, Creating Effective Procedures for Writing and Controlling Specifications. Module 7, Challenges in Writing the Specifications. Module 8, Specifications Writing Techniques. Module 9, Technical Writing Challenges. Module 10, Wording of Specifications. Module 11, Editing and Controlling of Specifications. Module 12, Additional Drafting Conventions. Specifications Writing Training. Price, $1,999. Length, 3 days. College credits, 3. Continuing education credits, 18 pdh. Learn more about Specifications Writing Training.